This is Linda. Employed in a fashion store, she individualizes customers' items with the new Brother PR1055X. That's smart, because what customers prefer over items they like are unique items they love. This is Tom, Linda's boyfriend. He doesn't want to be an employee, although he wants to be smart like Linda. So he decided to run his own business with the Brother PR680W. This is also smart, because now he's able to individualize all kinds of things for his customers. This is Linda's mum, Mary, and this is an embroidered picture of her beloved pet that Tom made for her. That's super smart, because Linda now loves Tom more than ever before and wants to start a family with him. That's why Mary bought the Brother VR, to individualize a lot of things for her future grandchildren on her own. How about you? Be like Linda, Mary and Tom. Be smart, with a brother at your side.